this video, we will see that how we can run a campaign on a template which has been already created. So to run a campaign, click on a WhatsApp drop-down. Under this, the fourth option is of a campaigns. Once inside the campaign window, click on the new icon. Here, just name the campaign you want to run. Happy Diwali. Now here I have two options, a regular message where I can create a message at a time or a pre-approved template. So I'll select a pre-approved template. Here I have already a number which has been registered on a WhatsApp. Module is organization. Now click on the plus icon where I need to select the users to whom I need to send the campaign. So either I can select a select all or I can individually select the users and save it. Now once users have been saved, click on the next button. Here select the template which has been created. Here I can see the preview of a template which have been already created. Now under choose, here I need to get the images which I'm going to put into the template. Let's suppose I select this image. Once image have been selected, now I have two options here. Defining under time, instant or scheduling. Instant, if I select instant and save, the template will run instant. And for a scheduled, I can select a date and time on which the template has to be run. So let's go on instant and save it. Now once campaign has been saved, its execution status is pending. Click on this particular campaign. Here I have option to start a scheduler. Click on it and it will show execution status executed. So this is how user can run campaign for a predefined template. Thank you.